So today we're going to be going over the Pythagorean theorem. So what is it? The Pythagorean theorem only works in right triangles. And what we're trying to do is trying to find the length of a side. It could either be A, B, or C. The Pythagorean theorem comes from the area of squares. So the area of A and the area of B is equal to the same amount of the area of C. That is where we get A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So for this first example, we're going to be going through the steps that we're going to be taking. So first we're going to write out the formula. We know this is a Pythagorean theorem example. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Then we're going to label our sides. So A, B, and C. We're going to plug in the numbers. 6 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. We're going to do simple exponents. 6 times 6, 36, plus 4 times 4, 16, equals C squared. 36 plus 16 equals 52. So 52 equals C squared. And then we got to take the square root to isolate C. So C equals square root of 52. Don't worry about simplifying yet. Our next example, this is where the side we're looking for is not the hypotenuse, but we're still going to go through the same steps. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We're going to be labeling our sides. A, B, C. We're going to be plugging into the numbers, into the formula. 8 squared plus Y squared equals 12 squared. As you can see, instead of plugging in a number, we just plug in the letter Y squared. We're going to solve as usual. So 8 times 8, 64, plus Y squared equals 144 squared. Like usual, we're going to try to isolate the letter. So we're isolating Y this time since we're solving for Y. So minus 64 on this side, minus 64 on this side. So 144 minus 64 equals 80. So Y squared equals 80. We're going to solve for Y, so square root. There you go. Y equals square root of 80.